Umsunguli wenkampani eqopheza amafilimu iBlack Shadows Pictures uZamani Mhlongo senxusa umnyango wezemfundo ukubungenelela ekutheni kufundiswe izingane ezisencane umkhakha wezamafilimu ukuze kube lula kuzona ukukhetha imikhakha efanele uma ngabe sebephothula ibanga likamatikuletsheni. UNjomane kaMkapu bekhuluma kanjena kuqhubeka umcimbi wokuhlomisa ngolwazi kwentsha yakhele kusokhulu namaphethelo olubanjelwe kwesikhungweni eThusong kumasipala eMfolozi enyakatho nesifundazwe.
Intsha yakwaSokhulu kanye nentsha ephuma ezindaweni ezisondelene nawo bebehlangene nabafundi besikole iLanga Libovu High School abenza ibanga lika grade 11. Laba bebehlangene esikhungweni iThusong kumasipala waseMfolozi ukuzocotshelelwa ngolwazi emkhakheni wezamafilimu. Phakathi ke kwezinto abafundiswe zona ukulingisa, ukuqondisa kanjalo nokubhala amafilimu. Ongumsunguli wenkampani eqopha amafilimu iBlack Shadow Pictures uZamani Mhlongo uthi umkhakha wezamafilimu usele kakhulu ezindaweni ezisemakhaya.
Namhlanje iBSP okuyiBlack Shadow Pictures iseMfolozi Local Municipality la esihoste khona iFilming Masterclass la esidila khona neacting for camera, script writing and also directing. So sithe as iBSP asihambe sesikoleni esibizwa ngokuthi iLanga Libovu High School esisemakhaya because sinayo le belief leyo ukuthi we need to develop from ema high school because that is where lapho umuntu eseready ukuthi usezophuma manje bese efesa icareer yakhe noma bese bhekana necareer noma into akafuna ukuba yiyona when it comes to ama careers akho emhlabeni. So sikubuke kune gap enkulu as iBSP when it comes to ema high school especially la semakhaya because ifilming industry isele kakhulu ezikoleni zasemakhaya.
Umhlongo uthi uyafisa ukuthi umnyango wezemfundo nohulumeni ukuthi bangenelele ukuze kuthuthukiswe ke umkhakha wezamafilimu ezikoleni ezisemakhaya.
Sibona ukuthi ngcono si-invite izingane zaseLanga Libovu High School ngoba senzele ukuthi lento lena beqale from at the high school level when we're talking about filming industry because we have noticed ukuthi even we disadvantage rural areas okusokhulu there is no filming industry in our school. So siyafisa BSP ukuthi even no Department of Education even no government uqobo ukuthi engenelele kulento yezikole zasemakhaya ngoba umkhakha wakafilimu awukho. But if sesikhuluma iqiniso lelo lokuthi njengoba umkhakha ongekho wakafilimu ezikoleni zasemakhaya so unokuphazamisa kakhulu when it comes to abantu abasuke befuna ithuba for filming industry. So inhloso enkulu eyenza ukuthi sihlangane la eMfolozi Local Municipality namhlanje as iBlack Shadow Pictures si-invite izingane zesikole and also i-cast ne-crew yeBlack Shadow Pictures ingoba sifuna ukudevelopa the young talent from high school levels njengoba sike sa-invite iLanga Libovu High School.
ULangeni uthi lo mcimbi uzolekelela kakhulu abafundi ukuthi bekwazi ukukhetha imikhakha ebafanele uma sebeya izikongweni zemfundo ephakeme.
Umuntu mayisuka e-high school usuke ready to go at a tertiary level noma adlulele e-university. So sike sakubuka ke as iBSP ukuthi kuyashoda kakhulu when it comes to ifilming industry nezikole zasemakhaya. So sase sibuka ukuthi no, we need to develop from high schools then bese kuba ukuthi umuntu mayise efika e-university because the fact is that ikhona i-filming industry when we talking about university ama-university akhona la e-KZN. So but then bese kulekha at a high school level. So that is why ke as iBlack Shadow Pictures sithi ahlanganisa izingane for ukuthi umuntu even ngisho ngakuthiwa useyafika at a university level akwazi ukuthi echoose umkhakha kuyiwona wona ohambisana naye ngoba the fact is that i-filming industry yakwazi ukuthi kwenze ukuthi uphile impilo oyifunayo ukwazi ukuthi uphile futhi impilo ekujabulisayo.
UZamani uthi njengamanje baphezulu komsebenzi wokuqopha ifilimu esihloko sithi My Dream ekuzobe kukhona kuyo nezingane ezisafunda isikole. Ezindabeni ze1KZN TV ngingusiyabongwa kaDuma eMfolozi.
Asiphinde sithi ishelele etolweni nebesilo siyabuya nezinye izindaba.